Today's movie is about my mistake when cooking a chicken thigh in a toaster. I messed up and retried cooking it with a frying pan and succeeded. Hi guys! Today I'm gonna make toasted chicken. The seasoning is some sake and soy sauce. So, let's make it. Today's ingredients are chicken thigh, white sesame, sesame oil, sugar, soy sauce, and sake. We are gonna make seasoning sauce first. 2 spoons of sake, 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 small spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of sesame oil, 1 spoon of white sesame. Then you mix seasoning with meat and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Put the chicken with the skin facing down. You don't need to pour in the oil. It will come out from the skin. Cover the top of the chicken with aluminum foil. Heat for 15 minutes. It seemed to be half cooked on the surface, so I heated it for another 5 minutes. At this point, I didn't know that it led to extra work later on. Toasted chicken is done. It seemed to be so. At this point, I noticed that the surface of chicken thigh was hard. I think I made some mistake. The chicken was hard. Maybe I overcooked it. Well, I can eat it for myself, but I think it's not suitable on YouTube for viewers, so I decided to make it and shoot it again. Anyways, I have to finish it. To cheer up, I'm gonna eat natto. This is fermented soybeans that is eaten nationwide in Japan. It's quite slimy, so it is occasionally difficult to pinch with chopsticks. You should give it a try when you come to Japan or go to a Japanese supermarket. Even for me, a Japanese guy who eats natto every day, it is sometimes difficult to pinch with fast move. Well, I managed to finish it. I was a bit disappointed yesterday, so I made this dish again the next day. It's cloudy outside, but I'll do my best. Yesterday's side dish was natto, but I'm gonna cut gobo buttercream today. For change of the air, they are hole-shaped vegetable, about 1 meter long, used for various dishes like onjiru, pork miso soup, or takikomi gohan, cooked rice with meat and vegetables. Heat about 1 spoon of oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Stir-fry gobo buttercream. After moving gobo to a plate, stir-fry the chicken thigh over medium heat with the skin facing down for 3 minutes. Turn over the chicken thigh. Stir-fry for 3 minutes over medium heat with the lid and steam cook it. The touch-through knife is different from the previous one. It was far easier to cut. It was good this time. If it were a steak, I can say it is medium well. The cut section is like this. And surface. I think the cause of the failure of the previous cooking with a toaster was the last extra 5 minutes without aluminum foil. So, I can say cooking this thick chicken thigh in a toaster must have been difficult. By the way, the calories of chicken thigh cooked with a toaster were 626, and the calories of one cooked with a frying pan were 796. Cost for each one is 150 Japanese yen. It is roughly equivalent to 1.43 US dollars. Anyways, today's video is about my failure of cooking chicken thigh in a toaster and making it again with a frying pan. Don't make the same mistake I did. Please use a frying pan to cook thick chicken thigh. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.